the brackets.
You know what you're doing, mate?
No, look how nice shiny. Oh. Right, I'm going for the pint.
Yeah, it'd be a bit cheeky, wouldn't it?
When it wants to stick, it takes it having to stand back.
I better unlock it. Otherwise my alarm will go off and scare Dave.
Oh, it'll probably drag the whole lot back. It's not wire though, is it?
Stand back, don't want to get hit by flying chromeware.
Watch out for that wheel hitting you in the side of the head.
It'll drag the car sideways, you watch.
That's not going to work.
Is that not going to work?
No. Yeah, I just pull it off.
Yeah. Looking good, looking good. Right. Oh! Just too far.
What did I say? I told you to pull it off. Yeah, it's alright. Front flap's holding it on. Meant to be like that though.
Oh, what a shame. We're right there then, weren't we?
You were nearly there.
It's in the right position now.
Going.
That's supposed to be.
Right, to the side.